Greetings, dear friends. Greetings, lovers of freedom. Please, this message is for every African person, be you woman, man, old, young, adult, children. This message is for you. Those of you who are shouting or mourning the Queen Elizabeth, I want you to pay attention to listen to what Julius Malema said about Queen Elizabeth. Many of you have forgotten because you were not taught history in your schools. That is why you don't know the role Queen Elizabeth II played in slavery your grandfathers. I want you to know that after you watch this video, Queen Elizabeth played a very dangerous role that the Biafrans and every African and black person is suffering today. Queen Elizabeth bring the slavery and the colonization in Africa and enslave our fathers, our forefathers, and use them to do a thing of caricature. The slave you see today, the suffering you see today that Africa is passing through, these are the handwork of Queen Elizabeth. Without saying more further, let us listen to what Julius Malema has to say about Queen Elizabeth. And you, before you start mourning somebody who killed your father, before you start celebrating somebody who caused you everlasting poverty, who have killed your forefathers, killed your father, and put you in abject poverty, ask yourself, when are you going to be free? Are you doing yourself the right thing? Let us hear what Julius Malema has to say. And after you watch this video, make sure you share it for others to learn and know that America, sorry, to know that Britain and Queen Elizabeth are the cause of your suffering today. Thank you. I remain blessed. Over to Julius Malema. This is MAP Eziokubondo.
It will be wrong of me to leave this mic without saying to Britain and everybody else who care, we do not mourn the death of a colonizer and a murderer who came and killed our people, and she's wearing proudly a stolen goods on her head. We have nothing to do with the queen. Le le bolaileng batho ba rena ba utswa di-minerale tsa mo Africa, ba utswa di-minerale tsa all over Africa. Today people tweet, hey we mourn the queen. But when Helen Zille tweeted and said that not everything is bad about colonialism, you all said Helen Zille is a racist. How can she praise colonialism? By mourning and praising the queen, you are celebrating colonialism. You are not different from Helen Zille. We were not colonized by the land called Britain. We were colonized by the leadership of Britain that killed our people. So we must not be asked to do wrong things here. We are very clear. The queen does not represent anything good. Britain has got a lot of gold, yet they don't have a single mine of gold. Those are stolen goods. We must talk about reparation. We must talk about the return of the gold. We must talk about the return of the stolen diamond, and not these other side issues which are not important to us. How can you be oppressed for so many years? After liberation, you've got nothing to show that we have been liberated. You have no land, you have got no bank.
I believe you have listened to Julius Malema. Now, before you start shouting, oh, Queen Elizabeth, ask yourself, what did she do for you to benefit rather than making you to suffer till today, making your children to die in Mediterranean Sea, making your brothers and sisters to die in Mediterranean Sea in search of greener pasture? Ask yourself the condition of Nigeria today. These are the handwork of Britain. Ask yourself the condition of Sierra Leone today. These are the condition, the handwork of Britain. Ask yourself the condition of Ghana, Cotonou, Southern Cameroon. Ask yourself Kenya, Uganda, all these things, these places, are the handwork of Queen Elizabeth and co. Please share this message and say no to anyone that is mourning Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth should rot in hell. Almost here, Biafra. Thank you and share the video.